Hi guys, we're back here at Shaikly Motor Company. I'm with Angela and Adam today. Guys, I just wanted to have a chat about your unique process that you put in place at the business. Angela, I'll come to you first. What I want to talk about today is the job swap thing that you do, so I'm quite intrigued by that. Can you just describe to us what that is?
So basically, I have some in-house training where we basically learn how involved jobs are with technicians.
Yeah.
So when they're doing diagnostics, what they want from us on front of house, from customers, what faults they have, when they occur, etc. And also how involved their diagnostic is, how long the process takes when they're looking up different bits and pieces. Makes it more understanding for us to be able to explain to a customer that actually it's not just a 5 minute, plug your computer in and that does work. So it's really helpful.
Did you find that beneficial doing your role, being able to understand it from the other side of the workshop point of view then when speaking to the customers? And do you think that helped the technician understanding what you have to go through speaking to the customers as well?
I definitely think it made the technicians understand a little bit better. They kind of realise that actually it's not that straightforward and you're juggling lots of different jobs and dealing with customers. But definitely helpful to explain to customers that it's not a 5 minute job and we can then explain to them a bit better, maybe in not technical jargon, as to what's going on in the workshop.
Excellent, thank you. Adam, I suppose from a business point of view, what was the benefit in doing that?
I just think it made the whole process flow a little bit better.
Yeah.
You know, you get the job, it's received in from the front of house, it goes through the workshop and goes back out, but the customer doesn't really see that.
Yeah.
So if the front of house can explain to them everything a little bit better and how it all works and the operations of it, then they're happier at the end of the day. They understand if there is a problem, if there is something that goes wrong, you know, what actually did happen, what actually did go wrong, if it's a snap bolt or if we're trying to find wire diagrams and stuff like that. And the customer can understand that and they understand that their car might be a day later, or etc. etc.
Yeah. Do you think the customers see a benefit from the likes of yourself? I know you've done both roles, you've been in the workshop and front of house, and Angela, being able to understand what the technicians are having to do to that customer's cars in terms of a billing perspective to the customer and understand the costs.
Yeah.
And like Angela said before in another video, being true and transparent to the customer with costings.
Yeah, no, it does help. And at the end of the day, the customer is the one purchasing the service, aren't they? They need to understand what's going on. If they need an extra hour's investigation, what is going on in that extra hour? Because all they're thinking is, I'll just plug it in and get the answer, you know?
Yeah.
What is going on? Do we need to strip to get to that part, you know? And it does help because we find that customers, you know, they're putting a lot less pressure on us because they're understanding the situation. Yeah. And that's kind of what it is.
Nice. All right, guys, thanks for that. That's a really interesting chat. Again, join us in our next video.